Want to keep track of every game your NFL team plays this season? In this guide, I will show you how to add your favorite team's schedule straight into Google Calendar so you never miss a kickoff. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. You will see your regular events and appointments, but soon we will add your team's entire season schedule. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand menu, click Add Calendar, then choose Browse Calendars of Interest. Scroll down to Sports, then select Football. You will see multiple leagues. Choose NFL. Find your favorite team, tick the box next to their name. This instantly adds their official schedule to your calendar, so any changes or updates from the league will appear automatically. Go back to your main calendar view and check under Other Calendars on the left. Make sure your team's calendar is ticked so it shows off alongside your events, and that's it. You have successfully added your NFL team schedule to Google Calendar for 2025. Now you'll always know game days in advance. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.